ICB is an alcoholic drinks manufacturer, many customers, largely the retail business, dealing with the likes of Asda, Sainsbury's, Tesco, which is our biggest customer, right through the independents. We have products in the alcoholic range from 4% right through to 22%. A vast number of stock keeping units, SKUs, in the region of 250. Everything from perry ciders, liqueurs, light spirits. To enhance our reputation on what we already have as an excellent service level anyway, we decided that we would go for full traceability on the demands for the customer, so that if and when there is a case of need to know when a product was dispatched, when it arrived, if we did have reason to recall, then we wanted a system that would meet all those demands.
We were looking to control the stock in a far more efficient way than with pen and paper and old books, having to write down every movement of everything to everywhere. So we were looking to do the barcode things to actually scan them, so we had total traceability of the stock, you know, where it had gone, when it was produced. At the very beginning, when the idea was mooted to the people that worked for me, one or two were looking forward to doing something new. One or two were really reticent to leave the past behind. My most sceptical man was the keeper of the old-fashioned dispatch files, incoming, outgoing files, which was manually done every day to dispatch note. And he felt that without them files, the company couldn't work. And essentially, without the scanning system, he was right. We needed them. We needed them for customs, we needed them for traceability, we needed them for callbacks, everything. And within 24 hours of starting the scanning system, this most sceptical man, and there's nobody in any company anywhere has a man more sceptical than this one. He realised they weren't needed anymore, and he instantly converted over.
One of the issues we've always had on the site, particularly, is within the warehouse, we've known that we've had a quantity of product, but not knowing exactly where the location, this product's being stored in which location. Bringing the barcoding system in has enabled us to code up different areas of the warehouse. Everything is now scanned to a location where you can interrogate the system, and so product X is in this location, go straight to it. This is one of the requirements that we had from Customs and Excise, that they can come on site at any time of the day or night and do a random stock check. The system now gives us, these are the locations, there you go. W5D, periodic return to Customs and Excise, was taking 2 hours a day to manually input the data every day. We now do it in an hour, once a fortnight. And it doesn't do any manual input. It's eliminated miskeying because it's all a straight download from the scanning system.
The warehouse being my baby, I've never felt alone. I've never came across a problem where I felt alone. I could pick up the phone and people folks were there, and I'm not flowering that. That's how it really is. So because I've never felt alone, I've never felt too stressed.
This project in effect has earmarked approximately 6 months. Maybe we thought challenging at the time, but really from the commitment from my team, but equally as important, the backup support that we've had from Peoplebox, we've really achieved, I think, everything that was the expectations within a good period of time. Yeah, it's for that reason, as much the system as well as the customer service, that we're now going to be looking at our next project with Peoplebox.